I'm Erin Rasmussen. Welcome to our meeting. I'm so excited. We're going to talk about our SWOT analysis for Pixar, and we're talking about social media, and I chose to focus on the Facebook platform. So don't be scared, don't fear, there's no need to do that. This is going to be fun as we go over Pixar SWOT analysis for social media. We are going to talk about Pixar's threats, about their strengths, about their opportunities, and about their weaknesses. We're not going to do it in that order, but that's what we're going to talk about today. So I decided to start with their strengths, with Pixar's strengths. And the first strength is connecting. One of Pixar's biggest strengths is how we use social media to connect with our fans. We can give our fans a sneak peek and see what their thoughts are. This is so valuable because when they love our content, they tend to share it. And the more they share it, the more our fan base increases. Okay, the second one is to listen. We need to listen to our fans. When we listen to our fans, that helps give them exactly what they want. When several audience members were worried about Incredibles 2 and the extreme flashing lights, we heard them and we were quickly able to add a warning to the beginning of the film. We were concerned for those with epilepsy and wanted to do our best to prevent so that there was no discomforts for any of our audience members. Our third strength is to make quality films. Pixar's films specialize in excellent quality. We pay close attention to every detail. Example, the 5.5 million hairs on Sully in Monsters University. Now that is detail. Pixar is also able to get well-known celebrities for our voiceover content, and that makes a lot of fans want to come see our films just because they want to listen to their favorite celebrities. My last strength that I chose is Pixar's advancement in creativity and technology. We at Pixar continue to amaze our audience by showcasing our creativity and cutting-edge technology. The next topic is weaknesses. Time. Our movies take a minimum of 4 to 7 years to make. We are currently working on several methods to shorten time, but on a positive note, we are scheduled to have a minimum of 2 new animated films per year. The second area weakness that I came up with was budget, money. Many of our films are in the $150 to $200 million range. We have a team of number crunchers that are trying to reduce the cost. The good news, however, is that our global office totals are way more than our costs, on an minimum average of 3 times as much. For example, Brave was released on June 22, 2012. The cost was roughly $185 million, and it brought in $554 million. Sequels seem to be more profitable. For example, Toy Story 3 brought in over 5 times the amount it cost to make. It was released June 18, 2010. It cost roughly $200 million to make, and it brought in $1.06 billion. Lastly, we can never be 100% sure of a film's success. Therefore, it is essential we listen and connect with our fans so that we may hopefully create films that they will continue to enjoy now and always. The next area I'd like to discuss is opportunities. Pixar has an increasing amount of opportunities. The first one is we can always make more movies. There are oodles of concepts out there waiting to be turned into fully animated features. The second is merchandise. Partnering with Disney, we have lots of opportunities that we can do as we partner with Disney. So, what are some ideas that you can think of for marketing merchandise? Theme parks, yes, that's a great answer. Videos, fabulous, these are great. Yeah, Brad, you have an answer? Oh, that's a great idea. Books, subscriptions, Yes, these are all perfect ideas. Great. There's just so many things that we can do when we focus on marketing our merchandise. My last opportunity is to be a leader. We have an opportunity to lead. Pixar is on top of technology and quality, and we plan to continue on staying on top. The last area is threats. We have a few threats. The first one, our primary one, is fierce competition. There are several companies now we compete with, and there's also the possibility of new companies popping up overnight. Pixar must lead. There's always the possibility of running out of new and innovative and creative ideas. We have a wonderful staff, and so I don't see this as a major threat, but it's something we should always keep in mind and continue coming up with stellar content. Piracy. Piracy is an increasing problem. We're working with several agencies who are seeking out ways to prevent and or reduce the amount of piracy crimes. Lastly, online TV and movies. These are becoming a lot more popular, and we need to be consistent in giving our we need to be consistently giving our fans films that keep them coming back. We want them to come back to us. Films all ages will enjoy and cherish repeatedly. So I came up with an action plan for our Pixar team, and I have a main focus for each area. The first is our strengths. We need to continue giving fans what they want. We're really good at it. That's what we need to continue with that. Opportunities. We need to be a leader. We need to stand out. And we need to lead the competition. Weaknesses. We really need to focus on time management. We need to make sure we're not abusing our social media privileges. And we need to focus on being more productive and maximizing the time we have to work on each project. And the last is threats. We really need to stay ahead of that competition. I know if we continue to perfect these areas, Pixar's social media platform will continue to shine inside and out. Thank you so much for your time, and we got this. I'm Erin Rasmussen. If you need to contact me, my information was at the beginning of the slide. Thank you so much for your time, and bye.